to replace the headband on my son's QC35s. This was just shredded right here. It was disgusting. And he was wanting a brand new pair of Bose for the small price of around $400. And I found this on Amazon. It's called Soul Wit. Comes in white, comes in black, runs around $35. This is my pair. This is my son's pair. And I just wanted to show you the difference out there in case you are not willing to buy the band from Bose, because that is an expensive band. When we put them together, okay, this one right here is the Soul Wit. This is the Bose. Identical. Literally identical. No difference whatsoever in the feel, in the texture. There is a difference, though, when we look over here. This has, like, it's a fuzziness here. You know what I'm saying? It has, like, it's more like a material. Up here is like a pleather. And right here, this is the original Bose. You're going to feel like a felt here. On this one, it's more like this right here all the way through. Now, this is very soft with the memory foam. I have to give it, meaning when this wears out one day on my Bose, I'm going to replace it with this because I actually like this. And now, I don't know how long this is going to hold up. It's made very, very well. I mean, I really, really like the look of it. It took about 15 minutes to put on. It's a little tricky to put on, but they kind of give you directions. They give you a little screwdriver. Put these in the light for you. Again, these are the original Bose. It fits QC 35 and 45. And this is the Soul Wit. Okay? Kind of just shows you what it looks like. Again, this is more of a fuzz, more of a material here. And this is the same material that is here from the side. No difference at all. But I tell you what, it saved me about $400 because I wasn't about to invest another $100 in a headband. And I think you could get this right now. Let me see. About $35, which is a good deal. So I hope that helped you out. Again, it's a little tricky. They tell you how to put it on. And so, yeah, it's going to take you about 15 minutes to do it right. I'm real meticulous, so you might be able to breeze through it. Again, you have these little screws right in here that you have to take off. But once it's on there, it's on there. And I really could see this lasting. And I love the material. It's not cheap material. It feels actually very, very good. It's a high-end memory foam because it keeps on, you see what I'm saying as I'm squeezing it. The replacement band actually feels more comfortable than the original band that came with my Bose. Although, again, like I said, how long will it last? So, you know, I don't know. I can't tell you that, but I can tell you this. It saved me $70 from having to buy an original headband. And I will probably do it again when mine is worn out. So I hope this helped you out, gave you an idea of, you know, something that you can do to save your Bose. I mean, I see these all the time at garage sales, and these are all shredded, and this is always shredded. And I can get these for about $10, maybe $12 on Amazon, and I can get this for about $30, so I can get a brand new pair of headphones, clean them up with some Lysol, because who knows who wore them, okay? And you got a brand new pair, especially if you find the 45s out there. That would be sweet, because they're a lot more expensive. All right, guys, I hope this helped you out, gave you some ideas. Get that in the light for you, and just kind of shows you the difference there. I'll put the link in the description if you're trying to DIY your Bose back together. Peace.